Hello! In this video, we are going to learn about homophones and homonyms. We will discuss how to identify them and how they are different. Homophones are two or more words having the same pronunciation but different meanings, origins, or spellings. To help you remember, think homo means same and phone is something you talk on. They sound the same. You're going to read the following sentence as I read it aloud and look for the homophones. They're going to their car over there. In this sentence, we have a set of three homophones. There, and there. THEY apostrophe RE represents they are. THEIR shows ownership of their car. And THERE tells us about location. Looking at another example, read the following sentence as I read it aloud and look for the homophones. He blew the blue horn too many times to get their attention. In this sentence, we have two different sets of homophones. Blew and blew, BLEW, representing creating wind by blowing on the horn. BLUE for the color blue. And then we also have two, TWO, for the number 2. 2TOO, representing in addition to or also. And lastly, we have 2TO, and this tells us when it is in relation to a point of reference. Read the last sentence as I read it aloud and look for the homophones. The flour made with flour and water won number 1 in the contest. In this sentence, we once again have two sets of homophones. Our first being flower, FLOWER, and flower, FLOUR. FLOWER represents the plant, and FLOUR represents powder obtained from grinding grains. Our second set of homophones in this sentence is won, WON, which tells us you're a winner, and one, ONE, which represents the number 1. Here are a few more examples of different homophones. We have bare, the trees are already bare, or bare, I am afraid of bears. Bored, after a while I got bored and left, or bored, I'll write it up on the board. Be for be quiet, and bee is buzzing around. Beach, it's a nice day for going to the beach, and beach, the great beaches towered up towards the sky. We also have been and been, and then blue and blue. Here's one more set of examples for homophones. We have male and male, pair, like a pair of shoes and the pair you would eat, dough and dough, and whole, like a whole pizza, and whole, like a hole in something. So you'll notice that all of these homophones are pronounced the same but have a different meaning and spelling. So, just a fun little joke. What are the strongest creatures in the ocean? Mussels. Moving on to homonyms, we have two or more words having the same spelling or pronunciation but different meanings and origins. Our first example, so read the following sentence as I read it aloud and decide which meaning is being used. The bat flew over the car to catch a bug. So when we are looking at homonyms, we have to use context clues to determine which is being used. I would hope that the baseball bat is not flying over a car or catching a bug, so we could determine that the bat that would fly and eat bugs would be the one talked about in this sentence. Another example, read the following sentence as I read it aloud and decide which meaning is being used. There was a band playing at the school dance. We have the band that would be playing music and the headband. Again, the band playing music would be the one used in this sentence, and we can determine that by reading the sentence and using those context clues. And then here we just have a few more examples. The company arm of the separatist group. I can't hold the baby on my arm. Again, same word, same spelling, same pronunciation, but different meanings. We have address, like I will address after I read the letter, or she knows your home address. Bear, I cannot bear the pain, or bear, the bear lives in the jungle. And bank, the bank is closed due to lockdown, or I lived along the banks of the river. We'll now move on and continue learning about homonyms and homophones and determining the difference between the two.